Hey guys, it's Victoria here, and today I have my Boxycharm unboxing. I am wearing all of these products on my face today. If I could edit it in time, I will put up like me using the products and applying them to my face, but I am wearing all of them today, so I do have a little bit of a review on how they applied. So yeah, let's go get started. The theme is Rock 2018, which, okay. So rock and roll soul. Okay, so the first thing in this box is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I do like Dr. Brandt's skincare products that they have, the Pores No More line that they have. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. I did use it under my makeup today. I don't know if it necessarily gave me a dew finish, but I do think it was a nice primer. It wasn't too silicone feeling, and it does have a little bit of a tint, so it kind of feels like more like a moisturizer. And this primer is $38, and this does look like the full size of this primer. I'm not sure, but I could be wrong, but this does look like the full size. Next up that I used on my face was this Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette, and it has 3 different powders. So the textures of these is very weird. It's similar to ColourPop's the Super Shock Shadows. So here are the shades. This is the Blushing Glow, the Afterglow, and the Mineral Glow. So I didn't think that this would actually show up on my face, but this is very pigmented. It gives you right there. And the highlighter is very nice as well as the blush. You have to be careful though, because these are super pigmented. So I don't like my blush to show up like this. I mean, I don't know if you can see really today because my lights are super bright, but I don't like my blush to be like super bubbling. So I went in with a stippling brush to apply all of these products, except, yeah, I did. Oh god, I'm getting this all over. The only thing about white packaging is that it gets dirty. We will wipe that off. So I did use a dual fiber brush, like stippling brush, to apply all these products, just because they are super pigmented, so you don't want to get too much products on your face. But I do feel like the bronzer gave me a nice little line there, and the highlight is pretty nice too. Like I said, I blended it out, but it is pretty like bam in your face if you just want to shine from space type of highlight. You can get it with this highlight. I just went for something a little bit more subtle, and this is $34. So I really like this palette, so I am gonna add it to my rotation of products. Next up that I used on my eyes is this Glam Metals eyeshadow palette by Crown Brushes. I've never used any shadows by Crown Brushes. I do like their actual brushes though, so they are pretty awesome. And this is what this palette looks like here. Now these colors initially are not like colors that I would use, but I also don't have a palette that has colors like these. Now these shades are all like shimmery. But I did use them all on my eyes today, and I still think it gave a complete look. This Black Metal shade, when it blends out, it's not too harsh. This is what I have in my crease, and I really like the way that all these shades blended out. Yeah, so, and I like I said, I have this Heavy Metal shade here, Heavy Metal right here on my eyelids, and then I have the Wicked in my crease. So yeah, I really like the way these shadows wore. I'm excited to use this more because, again, I don't have an eyeshadow palette like this, and I love eyeshadow palettes, so I'm excited for that. And that retails for $25, so it's actually pretty reasonably priced in my opinion. Alright, so next up we have the IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. It's what I use to do my eyebrows today. I think the color's pretty good. I like the color. It's a little bit light, but I like it. And you know me, I love pencils to do my eyebrows. I don't use anything else. So it comes with this spoolie on one side, and then it comes with an angled point. It's very small. The only thing is that I had a little bit trouble doing the wing of my eyebrow. Like is that the wing? The wing of my eyebrow, the arch of my eyebrow. I had a difficult time with that, so not my favorite, but it wasn't bad. So yeah, I like the color though, and this retails for $24. And the last thing in here is my lip color, which I'm feeling, and this is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint. I have never tried any of these from Galactic. I've been wanting to, but I haven't. And this is in the shade Demure, and like I said, it's what I have on my lips today. I really like the color. Doesn't feel too dry. I haven't had it on that long, so I don't know the wear time of it, but it's not too drying. This is like a more moussey textured liquid lipstick, but so far so good. And like I said, this is like my type of color. Like, come on now. So yeah, and that retails for $23. So again, I feel like this box is really like one like that you can really do a full face of makeup with. The only things I had to pull out from my collection, of course, were for me were my foundation, the powder to set it, concealer, but like as far as base, but I feel like everything else kind of you can do a complete look with this box, which is really awesome. I feel like this is like the first time that Boxycharm has done this. Again, this box is only $21 a month. This is the only subscription box that I still have, just because it is like, I feel like worth every single penny. A lot of my 2017 favorites, which I will link below, came from me getting the Boxycharm last year. So yes, if you have any questions about anything in the box, leave them down below, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.